Welcome to a new vlog. It is 6 in the morning. Why am I up, you might be asking. I'm gonna do my nails, but we're also going on a trip. Bro, tell me why my coffee. This is an Americano. I'm so excited. I need 3 seconds to try this thing. This is the world's smallest coffee. This is interesting. I need more water. But this, holy guacamole. Oh my gosh. What's the word in these? I guess if you're about to receive from the donkey to Christ or what in it. This is really good, guys. There it is, Garlic World. We made it! It is raining cats and dogs outside right now. We are in Calistoga, California. Girl, this room is crazy. This is gonna be a really fun weekend. So now that we're all settled in, we've decided to go check out the spa. Ooh, we literally just walk over there. Just a little walk away. I want to be like this. Just take it all in. All the red light. We are revitalized. I love it here. Okay, so this is the look. Let me put this so you can actually see the fit. Cute. Do we like it? Oh wait, there's more. With my little trench. I think it's cute. We never get dressed up for anything, so why not? This is crazy. This place is insane. I'm so hungry. We ordered cookies to our room. Gingerbread cookies, and we decorate them and eat them. They're so cute. Turn down service here is impeccable. Look at this. We had our jammies laid out. They made them all cute. Right there, right there. Guys. What do you mean? Okay, we're going to bed. But before I forget, we made cookies. So we're just going to leave them out and let them harden up. And we're calling it a night. It's bedtime. Hopefully this angle doesn't look horrendous.
Oh my God.
Good night. Rise and shine. Purium on the road is so funny. I wonder if they're brushing her hair. I wonder where the others are gonna play the game. Pardon me putting my shoe on. It is probably not even 7 in the morning yet. We're going out on the town. There's like a bunch of coffee shops and bakeries that we really want to go try. Plus this hotel has a driving program so you can borrow their Mercedes and drive around. So we're hoping to get a G-Wagon. In order to do that, we need to beat everybody else there.
But guess
We got
what?
some food!
I didn't notice, and I'm kind of excited to try it, but I'm a little scared.
What?
It's gluten-free.
Oh, I'm sure it's good.
But that's like perfect for me because of my autoimmune disease. It works out.
The fact that we're popping a snack down in the freaking G-Wagon is insane. World famous English muffin.
Why is
Kinda
it world
eat
famous?
I don't know.
It's literally just a piece of bread.
I just took 2 bread. Right.
I was expecting like things inside.
If you're looking at my double chin, don't.
What's the story?
One of my coworkers used to work up here. She has it on like her top 10 list or something.
And then add the jam.
Big. Cheers.
It's probably really good, but I want to say world best is.
I mean, this might be the best English muffin.
Oh yeah. Unless you're going to Europe, which you are.
We're going back to the spa because ain't nobody can stop us now. The next portion of this video, I will be in a bathing suit. Just so you're aware, it is a one piece, but in case, I don't know, I'm just trying to be nice. Skip to this time if you don't want to see that. We're putting this all over it. This is Gil's idea. There's so much money. On to step 2. Welcome to step 2. This is a mineral bath. We have salt. He said to scrub it. Oh, sweetheart, who knew we'd take a bath together? It's crazy. It smells so good. I'm gonna take a picture from this angle. That's cute. Mom.
Shut up, this was me relaxing.
Laying on these chairs. This is step 3. See you in 20 minutes. We're trying our pastries. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, the crunch. Whoa.
I don't know how to feel about it.
What does it taste like?
Not very tangerine.
This is giving the churro of the pastry world.
At the very tip bottom, there's.
Mmm. We have run around so much today. We get all the way to Napa, which is 40 minutes away from where we're staying, and I didn't even bring my wallet. But we wouldn't have gone to the lunch that we went to if I hadn't, so it's okay. That lunch was amazing. Hello. I'm so tired. We could not sleep in this morning. So hopefully tonight we will sleep in. We ended up just ordering room service last night, and it was off the kids menu, and it was really good. I will say, I'm gonna miss all the green and all the weather here. I bet you can guess what time it is. What do you know? Aww. That's crazy! What? Okay, bye! Bye, little turkeys!